So today we answer one of those pallet questions that keep getting asked. Can you use pallet wood as kindling? Well, the quick answer is yes, you can. But there's a few things that you should be aware of. So this is what's important right here. Let's take a closer look. Now this guy is upside down, but all the information you need is right here. This is a Pallet logo, an IPPC logo. You can tell here we have the country. It's upside down, so this is MX. This Pallet is from Mexico. Now the important marker is right here, HT. This is heat treated. Another one that you want to be looking for is KD, kiln dried. Typically, kiln dried will also be HT, heat treated, because when you dry stuff in a kiln, you're basically drying it with heat. What you do not want to see in one of these logos here is MB, methyl bromide, which is basically a very bad pesticide. Now, it doesn't really matter if you're burning your pallet indoors or outdoors. If it says MB, I can't be held responsible for anything that's going to happen, because you're basically asking for it. You are burning pesticides and putting it in the air, potentially inside your home. That's also the other reason why you should never work with anything that says MB. MB is a deal killer. In my opinion, if you don't have a logo, that's also a deal killer. They're typically local pallets, but anything could have happened. This one is an international pallet. It has its marker. It has its, proper tag. And that's exactly what you want to look for. I would never burn a methyl bromide pallet, even outside. Doesn't matter. It goes into the atmosphere. It destroys the ozone layer. Methyl bromide is basically very bad stuff. So you want to stay away from it. So as long as you obey those simple rules, you should be perfectly fine. And, being outdoors is a bit of a plus. Now, as far as starting a fire in snow, well, that's a French-Canadian secret. Take care. How do you make a fire out of snow? Well, you have combustible material underneath. Oh, well. Looks like I'm going to need something with a little bit more character. There you go. Whoever said wood turning wouldn't get me anywhere. And from that camera angle, you can't see anything because it's just the magic of video.